from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Fare-free service to continue for another year on GRTC buses. Democratic lawmakers from Henrico tout their accomplishments during the General Assembly session. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute for Wednesday, May 20th, 2026. Another day of heat ahead before the cool weather returns. Temperatures today could get near 100. The News Minute is brought to you today by CDIC Driving School.
And now for the news.
Well, the GRTC Board of Directors yesterday approved the organization's fiscal year 2027 operating and capital budget, continuing fare-free transit service for another fiscal year while advancing major transit and infrastructure investments throughout the region. GRTC's budget will total just more than $101 million. The zero fare service will continue through June 30th, 2027. Chief of Staff Adrian Torres said the public transit system will identify additional revenue potentials to present at a future meeting, analyzing a 5-year plan to ensure fare-free sustainability as part of GRTC's vision. Henrico Supervisors Tyrone Nelson, the chair of the GRTC board, and Dan Schmidt, a representative on it, both urged agency officials to make the fare-free service a sustainable initiative so that riders don't have to wait each year for media reports about what will happen. Said Nelson, quote, "What I'm hearing as we move forward is that fare-free is costing $6 million, and we need to know where that $6 million is targeted to come from," end quote. You can read much more about this topic later today on our website from our Community Vitality reporter, Adina Weinstein. 6 of the 7 state legislators representing parts of Henrico, all Democrats, held a town hall May 13th to update community members about how bills from the General Assembly would impact the county. The legislators said that they, quote, "delivered on affordability," end quote, during the session, prioritizing several bills aiming to reduce housing and energy costs. Senator Schuyler Van Valkenburg said he continued his focus on increasing housing supply in the state to combat rising housing prices, helping to pass bills that create state loans for mixed income housing and require localities to allow manufactured housing. While housing is a statewide issue, rising costs have particularly hit western Henrico, according to Van Valkenburg, because although the county continues to build more housing, other nearby localities have not kept up the pace. Delegate Rodney Willett helped pass bills that add more oversight to Virginia's nursing homes following several highly publicized incidents of abuse and neglect occurring at nursing homes in the county. Senator LaCherice Aird also passed a bill that would discontinue the use of PFAS, dangerous forever chemicals, at Richmond International Airport in eastern Henrico. You can read much more from the town hall meeting right now on our website from our government and education reporter, Leanna Hardy. Henrico Fire Chief Jackson Baynard has been named the county's new Deputy County Manager for Public Safety, replacing Michael Feinmel, who left the position after nearly 4 years to return to the Henrico Commonwealth's Attorney's Office as a Deputy Commonwealth's Attorney. Baynard has served as Fire Chief since 2023. He joined the division back in 2003 and rose through its leadership ranks. He also served as the county's emergency manager during the COVID-19 outbreak in 2020 and 2021. He will begin his new role as soon as a new fire chief has been installed. And this week's heat wave has affected air conditioning units at a number of Henrico County schools. Schools in all parts of the county have been impacted, according to readers and parents. The school system has dealt with heating and air conditioning issues for a number of years now. If your child's school has been affected this week, we'd like to hear from you. You can email our government and education reporter, Leanna Hardy, at Leanna, Liana, at henricocitizen.com to let her know. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by CDIC Driving School. CDIC Driving School has proudly served the Metro Richmond area for nearly 25 years, helping teens and adults navigate DMV and court-required courses. They offer flexible online group and one-on-one classes backed by real customer service and consistent 5-star Google ratings. Visit cdicdrivingschool.com to get started today.